Suggested title: 99% chance of Fed rate cut? Crypto investors on alert. The U.S. Federal Reserve may be on the verge of cutting interest rates, and the market seems nearly certain of it. As of April 8th, CME FedWatch data shows a 99.2% chance the Fed will lower rates in the first half of this year, possibly as soon as May or June. Traders now estimate over an 86% chance of at least 3 rate cuts this year. Expectations for 4 or more cuts have also surged, with a 60% chance of 4 cuts and nearly 24% betting on 5. So why is the market so confident, even when the Fed hasn't officially changed its tone? The answer: growing fears of a U.S. recession are outweighing concerns about inflation. Goldman Sachs recently raised its U.S. recession probability from 35% to 45%. UBS predicts the U.S. economy will shrink for 2 consecutive quarters. And BlackRock CEO Larry Fink said many business leaders believe the economy is already in recession. Despite these warnings, the Fed remains cautious. Chair Jerome Powell stated, "It's too early to talk about a policy pivot," and emphasized that current inflation is likely tied to external factors like tariffs. Still, inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target, and the growing risk of stagflation, where high inflation and slow growth occur simultaneously, could limit the Fed's ability to act quickly. Now, the big question: what does this mean for crypto markets? If rate cuts become reality, liquidity will return to the markets. This could fuel a strong rally in risk assets, including Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Recently, MicroStrategy hinted at a possible Bitcoin sale, raising short-term concerns. But if the Fed eases policy, that fear could be replaced with renewed buying momentum. Bitcoin is currently trading around $79,000. With the Fed's next decision expected in May, investors across all markets, especially crypto, are watching closely. For Bitcoin holders, it's a critical moment to track economic data and central bank signals.